PQRST Global Technologies is a software company based out of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, with offshore facility in Bangalore, India. PQRST has a strong focus on delivering the best, cost-effective services and solutions for the healthcare industry. PQRST Global Technologies is a subsidiary of Independent Computer Consulting Group, a software development and service company founded in 1988 with its headquarters in USA and offices in UK, Singapore, Australia and India. PQRST Global Technologies offers two main products. Telemedicine. Telemedicine enriches lives by providing telemedicine solutions, enabling the healthcare providers reach out to the remotest regions for delivering timely and effective medication using the latest information and communication technology. Vitis MD is a comprehensive electronic patient health record system and is poised to be a cornerstone of healthcare technology critical to the modernization of today's healthcare system. With this solution, the healthcare organizations have the ability to access and share data as needed in order to improve the efficiency of clinics and patient care. A product which is highly functional, easy to use and reliable with minimal costs. Implementing the Vitis MD eliminates the paper-based patient charts and all other costs of efficiency and inaccuracy associated with them. Vitis MD is HIPAA-compliant software that follows secure user authentication and authorization along with privacy, confidentiality and HL7 compliance. The system provides different access levels to the software based on individual username and password. The front office screen has limited access to register new patients or search, view and schedule appointments for existing patients from multiple locations. The patient registration is a simple form for registering new patients. It captures patient demographics and insurance details along with any additional attachments. Vitis MD offers a single modular screen view for doctors to customize and work on patient worksheet. This single modular screen view is customized based on modules that are frequently used with easy shortcuts to other modules of the worksheet. The review of system can be configured and aligned for order. Tree structure configuration makes the module easy to use. CPTs and costs for your billing items can be configured as per needs. Allows to set for category, subcategory, code and cost for each item. Patient billing can be easily accomplished with a click on relevant items. Comprehensive patient billing with dues and end-of-day report that can be exported to an Excel file for insurance claims or straight can be linked to any billing software. All ICD codes are listed that can be searched by disease or code. Over 36,000 drugs have been loaded with dosage, strengths, route and brand names. Prescriptions can be straightaway printed on pre-printed stationery with an option for refills. An inventory module is in place for keeping track of in-house vaccines that can be linked with patient charts with their lot numbers. Custom forms can be loaded as per the nature of practice. Vitis MD Practice Management Solution is established and reliable for practices of all sizes and can be easily used by different types of practices like clinics with multiple doctors, pediatricians, primary care physicians, OB/GYNs, dermatologists, ophthalmologists, cardiologists, pathologists and many more. The system can be configured to meet your requirements for custom features.